Hey, good looking. I'm so glad that you came to my kitchen today because we're going to sit there and do another Tailgating and Touchdown Thursday recipe. And this week, I'm going to bring you along and I'm going to sit there and show you just how easy it is to make caramelized onion jam. And we're all going to make it in our Instant Pots. So grab a hold of that vine and let's get cooking. Good looking. So you want some caramelized onions and you want it super easy. Well, I'm going to sit there and show you how to do caramelized onions without having to sit there and slave over the stove and caramelizing them up. But at the same time, I'm going to one-up it and we're going to make caramelized onion jam. So what you're gonna be needing is some oil of your choice, coconut oil if you wish, or canola oil, but just make sure that you have 3 tablespoons of the oil. And then you're gonna want 3 pounds of sliced up onions. And that's what I have right here in our nice little pitcher. And you got it. We're gonna be adding all them. Now also, I'm gonna give you a little secret. The trick to caramelizing them up beautifully inside of the Instant Pot is to add half of a teaspoon of baking soda. Trust me on this. It may sound odd, but somehow this has magic in it and it does work. Now again, give this all a good little stir. Grab our cover, put your cover on, make sure our vent is in the closed position. Now we're going to come down, we're going to hit the manual, and we're going to increase the time to 20 minutes. And then we're gonna let it do its little magic, and in 20 minutes I'll see you. Alright, the Instant Pot sounded off. Now we're gonna come up here and open the vent and release all the pressure. Let's go ahead and remove the cover. Grab our spoon and give everything a good stir. But before we stir it, I thought I'd take you in for a close-up view of what it looks like right after we took the lid off. So now, let's go ahead and stir it all up. And now we're also going to sit there and put this on the saute mode. Okay, keep giving it a few stirs as you're cooking off some of this extra liquid. You know, basically we're just reducing all the goodies that are all on the inside of the Instant Pot insert. But now, at the same time, I want you to sit there and add 1 1/4 cups of brown sugar. And then 1/3 cup of balsamic vinegar. Oh, I'm sorry, 1/4 cup. The 1/3 cup is of the sweet chili sauce. And then 2 tablespoons mustard seed and 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. Now give this all a good stir and continue to reduce until it all becomes nice and thick and reduced. Remember, keep stirring it every now and then. And we're going to sit there and reduce it approximately about half of what it was. Now I just want to give you a good view. Now that's what you're going to want it to look like before we do put it inside of the canning jars, or we put it inside our container for the tailgating and touchdown Thursdays. Get your ladle out and put some in a nice little dish so everybody can put as little or as much onto their hamburgers, brats, or hot dogs. And you're gonna want this to cool down and thicken up as it cools. And here's to tailgating and touchdown Thursdays. Now there you go. That's how easy it was to make your very own caramelized onion jam in your very own Instapot. Now, if you liked what you saw for this tailgating and touchdown Thursdays, please be sure to give me a thumbs up. Be sure to sit there and tell all your friends about my channel and share this recipe with others. And if you're not yet a subscriber, go up, hit that subscribe button, tap that little bell. That way you'll always be notified every time I do put out a new video. And here's to happy cooking, but better yet, happy eatings and happy holidays. Y'all come back now. You hear?